This is a Dell Dimension 2400. Now let's take a look inside. Here's the hard drive, 3.5-inch mechanical drive. This is a floppy drive. This is an optical drive, DVD drive, 3 PCI slots. And this is for the CPU, for the heatsink. It's just a fan here. Two memory modules. Let's see what kind of memory we have here. $512 MB DDR. Yeah. The other one is the exact same. So it's 1 GB system. And this is a power supply here, made in China. There's not much to see here, but yeah. Then at the back, let's take a look at the back, the I/O shield. So there's a keyboard and mouse connectors. These ones are older ones. This is for to connect the monitor, audio. To put on the green one is for some speakers. Red for a mic. This is for an input audio device and some USB ports and Ethernet. Yeah.